Hey guys, this is Kenny. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited that you guys are here. As you can tell from the title of this video, I will be showing you guys how to do a cute, affordable transitional style. I'm talking about under $20 affordable. We're going to be going from this to this. I hope that you guys are interested in finding out how I did this cute style in under 30 minutes. If you are, make sure to go ahead and keep watching, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is kind of blow dry your hair out. I'm gonna go over a few things that we need first. This style here is going to be really cool because one, it's really affordable because all you need is one pack of hair. This here is the Royal Zury Kongo Curl. One pack is enough, 8, 9, and 10 inches. Then you want some type of gel. Today I'm going to be trying out the Gorilla Glue. I've actually never tried this before, but I've heard that this is amazing. It's slicking down natural hair. Then you want another type of gel substance. I like to use this more on my edges, just right before I put my wraps down. Then we're going to be using a heat protectant because you have the option to press your hair out if you like, if you want more of a sleek look. If you are going to do that, use a heat protectant. Lastly, I have two other things. I have some type of edge control. I'm using the Hicks edge control because I wanted to make sure I had something that was going to really slick my edges down, have a really clean look, and this is the only edge control that I've seen that has worked for me. If you guys know of any edge controls that works well for 4C hair and lasts all day, please leave it down below. Lastly, we're just going to take some rubber bands, and this is what's going to tie our hair off. One tip about rubber bands, if you're scared of the breakage and because they're too tight, what I like to do, I don't know if you guys can tell, it's kind of wet at the bottom. I put a little olive oil or castor oil on my rubber bands when I buy my big tub, and this keeps your hair moisturized while the rubber band is on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this big brush or big comb. What you want to do is you want to see how do you want your hair. This type of tutorial, you could do 2 moon buns in the front, or you could do one and then just have the back out. And so I think I'm gonna just go with the same style because I don't know if you guys have seen my Instagram. I've already worn this style before. I typically use a different curl pattern, but today I wanted to do something that was a little bit more sleek, and so I got elongated curls. So this is, of course, it's not my first time doing this, but there are a few new things that I'm using in this tutorial. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and separate my hair, and then we're just going to make sure that everything is nice and even. So one thing that I will let you know, if you guys are the reason why this tutorial is so amazing is because even if you don't have any hair experience, it's very easy. If you're wondering how to get the perfect part, I always start with the top of my ear and then I start to part. So take the top of your ear and you're gonna put your comb there, and then that's how you go in there. So that's just the top of your ear. You take your comb and then you keep parting, and then what you want to do is you want to always make sure you dig the comb into your scalp, and that makes sure that you get somewhat of an even part. Okay, so nice thing that you have everything already parted. The nice thing about this hairstyle is that I know you're already wondering, like, how do I know if it's an even part? This hairstyle here, it's very forgiving because the ponytail goes over the part, and then the hair is kind of bushy enough to conceal any mistakes. So if you can't get a perfect part, that's perfectly fine. Just try to get close to it as possible. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and braid my hair in the back. Okay, so what I like to do is take it in a ponytail, and then what I'll do is I'll tuck one piece under my braid, and then I'll take a bobby pin and secure it. Okay, so now that part is secure. I'm gonna do the same thing for the other side. I never make promises, 'cause I don't. And so now we're gonna go ahead and work on the front. 'Cause I don't keep. 'Cause I don't keep. So now what you want to do is you want to part your perimeter, because we're going to flat iron it so we can have a sleeker look. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 1 to 2 passes on my hair with the flat iron. If you are completely natural and you're wanting to not have any heat, this style will still work perfectly. Now what we're about to do is we're going to mold this ponytail down in the middle. We have 2 different parts of molding. The first part is going to be the middle part of your hair. The second part is going to be the outside, the trim and perimeter. So what I want to do is I want to take the Gorilla Glue and I'm going to take it around the perimeter. And I know some of you may be asking, why am I putting glue on top of my straightened hair? Straightening the hair just helps you have more of a sleek look at the end. So that's why I said it definitely could be skipped if you are okay with having more of a natural look. Cause I don't keep them. Cause I don't keep them. Okay, so one thing that I forgot to mention to you guys is you're going to need some type of head wrap. But you want to have something to be able to set your hair. Okay, so now on to the fun part. We're going to go ahead and start adding the hair to our hair. So when you take the hair out, what you want to do is you want to be delicate and you want to make sure that you don't pull at the top, because you don't want to mess up the curl pattern. Since this is synthetic hair, you want to be very careful. Okay, it's time to crochet now. Unfortunately, sometimes I have an issue with using the crochet tool. So here I'm going to show you how I feed the crochet into my hair using my hands. First, you want to fill the braid and you want to place the hair under the gap between the braid and your scalp. Once you get it in there, you want to open up the loop at the top, like I mentioned before. Being careful not to mess up the curl pattern, you're going to pull the rest of the hair in and create a knot. Once you have that, make sure it's secure and you're good to go. Then, as you guys will see, I'll continue to do that throughout my entire head. And then there's some places I'll use the crochet needle, but it won't be often. Most of the time I use my hands. Okay, so off camera, I went ahead and tied down my little ponytail, and I put another wrap to secure my mold. I'm gonna pull this down just a little bit. What I like to do is I put the hair on the base of my hair, like where the hair is at, and then I also put it in the ponytail. Okay, so now that we kind of have what looks like to be some type of style, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take off my head wrap, both of them, and then we're just going to see what changes we can make if need be. Only thing that sucks about doing this with thick hair is sometimes you have to be a little bit more heavy-handed, and I keep breaking my crochet needle, so that's annoying. I like taking a piece of the hair and wrapping it around the base to give it like more of a put together look. And so now at this point, if you're happy, you can be done. Or if you're not happy, you can add more hair. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Only thing that I would add is maybe I could gel my edges down. If you would like to do that, you could do whatever you want, but this is if you're going to sleep right after. I will hold off gelling your edges down. Go ahead and put a head wrap on, and then once you're finished, you can go in with a little bit of your favorite edge control, and then it really fleeks it out. I like adding the Hicks because it gives me just what I need. So now I feel I am completely done. But this style here, guys, takes you 30 minutes. It's less than $20, and of course you just look so cute. So next time that you're in between styles and you don't know what to do, run to your beauty supply store, pick up this hair, and do this style. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell if you're interested in more videos. If you like this type of video, let me know. But other than that, I'll see y'all in the next one.